Be Unlimited was actually inspired by the Ineos race, where they're trying to break a barrier that has been held for a long time. And that inspired me to think we also in Rotary need to start breaking barriers, because we've been stagnant at membership of 1.2 million for a long time. So we have to break that barrier.
Be Unlimited is all about exploiting your opportunities and exploiting the potential that each one of us has.
In our Rotary organization, I think is opening innovations and new ideas to work around the things and the projects, and to work around the club management, and like for my club in terms of growing membership and also interacting and also making it more fun and making more engaging and interactive with members and also people in the society.
Means that we just use all the resources that are at our fingertips from the district level, our club level, and then even Rotary International. We bring all of those unused aspects of the Rotary International that we can bring down to the district. Our district can then bring it down to our club level, and we can just make our Rotary experience great.
It means that we have now at least unlimited in the way we think and unlimited in the way we do things in terms of our project, in terms of the limitation that have been there in setting our goals toward making an impact.
Signifies the fact that as Rotarians, our impact on communities are unlimited. There's so much we can do in so many ways to change the communities and the people around us.
It reminds me that our possibilities towards serving humanity are unlimited, that there's a lot of potential we can explore in our capabilities as leaders to serve humanity and make bigger impacts.
Getting to your potential. The sky is the limit now. For me, I understand, previously Rotary has been a bit closed because there have been there are those to-dos and not to-dos. But currently, with the phrase "Be Unlimited," that frees us and gives us the opportunity to work without any restrictions.
We need to go all out to ensure that we are Rotarian not only by what we do, but by deed, thought, and look at the Rotary values and try and ensure that we live up to those particular values of service above self.
Means working without limits. Generally pushing ourselves beyond what we think we can be able to do.
Is to actually open up the opportunities that we have as a club. Looking at the diversity we have in terms of members and making sure that we incorporate that diversity into our projects.
It's a way of having that eagle view, having the bird's view, that you're not limited to anything.
Thinking outside the box, going where no one has gone, and hopefully achieving our goals.
When we look at Unlimited, we are saying that we are not confined. We can be able to explore our potentials, and that's why I'm a firm believer we need to work with interactors, we need to work with Rotaractors, we need to work with Rotarians, and more importantly, we need to work with the community, telling them about Rotary, ensuring that we are able to encourage them to join Rotary so that we can build a huge movement of change.
Let us be unlimited. Let us take this opportunity to change the whole approach and the whole outlook of Rotary. Let's make this the organization of choice for ourselves and also for those who are willing to join service organizations. Let us be the organization that's going to give maximum impact to communities that really need our support and service.
Means that people have to clearly have no boundaries in their thinking, be innovative, be creative, because if we're not creative and innovative, we are going to bore our members. So we really have to be unlimited in the way we think.